Kalangut Panchayat had received many complaints with regards to broken bottles on the beach. Magir people drinking, buying from wholesalers, footpathar bosop, drink marop, and then which resulting in fights, eve teasing. So several complaints over a period of time has been brought to the notice of the panchayat. Magir ami MLA comes so Michael Lobog request kala कि why not bring about some sort of a amendment or a law which prohibits this. We are so very grateful to Michael Lobo taking up this issue, and now in February an amendment was brought wherein there is no public consumption of alcohol in any public places or in beaches. So this has been brought in February, but we decided now to see that it's enforced. Kaido ha and bukar dolla fayda na. You have to implement it. So we took the initiative, studied the law, and we put a public notice prohibiting anyone from consumption of alcohol in public places, that is your beaches, your streets, your footpaths. So phase 1 is awareness, जे आम्ही public notice घातला. Phase 2 will be सगळे जे wine stores हा कलांगूट गांवन and restaurants will have to put a board making this public consumption of alcohol, which is now an offence, which you can get fined. So they'll have to put up these boards. Once they put up these boards, the third phase will be putting entry point boards. On all entry points, there will be boards which make the people aware that they cannot consume alcohol in public.
From when it's implemented?
आयच्यान आम्ही स्टार्ट केला, that is the notice is out, but now we are working on putting boards. So आता restaurant and wine stores जे हा ते boards घालतले. So people have to be aware कि the direct fine marop tourists might not know. So we cannot have that happen to them. Let them have a look wherever they go to buy alcohol. There will be a board there saying you cannot drink alcohol. Also beach shacks. आता shacks start जातले. We will request each and every shack owner that is on Kalangut village to have a board displayed outside his shack, so that tourists are aware, and if anyone is violating the order, they will be fined by the police.